Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 7th December 2021. Today's topic is constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is a block of code is similar to the method. It is called when an instance of class is created. At the time of calling constructor, memory of the object is allocated in the memory. It is special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every type of object created using the new bracket keyword, at least one constructor is called. It calls default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. In such case, Java compiler provides default constructor by default. There are two types of constructor in Java: no argument constructor and parameterized constructor. Rules of creating Java constructor. There are two rules of define the constructor. Constructor name must be same as it is class name. Constructor must have no explicit return type. The Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Types of Java constructor: default constructor, parameterized constructor. Java default constructor. The constructor is called default constructor when it doesn't have any parameter. Example of default constructor: it is example we are creating non-argument constructor in the bike class. It invoked in timeout reaction. Example: class bike1 curly bracket, in curly bracket bike1 bracket, then curly bracket uh, sysout, then in bike is created, then curly bracket complete, then main method public static void main, and then uh, calling a default constructor as like bike1 b is equal to new bike1 bracket semicolon complete. It is default constructor use provide the default values object like 0 null etc depending on the type. Example of default constructor that display and default values. Explanation: in above class you are not creating any constructor, so similar compiler provide you default constructor. Here 0 and null values provided by constructor. A Java constructor parameterized type. A constructor which have no specific has a specific number of parameters is called parameterized constructor. Why use the parameterized constructor? The parameterized constructor used to provide different values to distinct object. However, you can provide the same values also. In the example, we have created the constructor of the student class that have no parameterized. We can have any number of parameters in the constructor. Example: class student 4 in curly bracket int id, a string name semicolon, then student 4 in bracket int I string n curly bracket, id is equal to I semicolon, then name is equal to n semicolon, and then curly bracket complete. The method to display the values: white display in bracket sysout id name, then create public static void main method calling, then creating object and passing values, then calling method to display the values of the object. Constructor overloading in Java. In Java, constructor just like a method but without return type. It is also called overload in Java methods. The constructor overloading in Java is technique having more than one constructor in different parameter list. They are arranged in the way in constructor perform a different task. They are differentiated by the compiler by the number of parameters in the list and their types. Example of the constructor overloading. Example: then first Java program overload constructor creating two argument constructor, then creating three argument constructor, then main method, then calling uh, first method and second method. Difference between constructor and method in Java. There are many differences between the constructor and method are given below. The Java constructor and Java method. The constructor is used to initialize the state of an object. The method is used to expose the behavior of an object. The constructor must not have return type. A method must have return type. The constructor is invoked implicitly. The method is invoked implicitly. The Java compiler provides a default constructor if you don't have any constructor in a class, and in method it not provided a compiler. And in any case, in constructor name must be have same as the name class name, and method name may or may not be same in class name. Thank you.